Hi my friend, it's Will here, and first off a big welcome to the Signal service. In this video I'm just going to give you a quick breakdown on how to actually use the service. Now it is new and improved, it's now more or less fully automated. All you need to be doing is entering the pending orders each week, either on a Sunday evening if you're in Europe or the US, or on a Monday morning if you're in the Asian, Australia area. So very basic setup. These are weekly swing positions where we enter, like I said, the trades at the start of the week as pending buy limit and sell limit orders, and then we use the Trade Manager EA to manage the positions throughout the week, and it will close all the positions by the end of trading on Friday. So each Sunday you will receive an email with a list like this. So make sure you whitelist my email address. Now below this video in the members area, there is the links to join the Signal list. So that's the first step. It's very important to very important to join the Signal list, just so you receive the setups. Then there will be another link on how to set up the Trade Manager EA for MT4. So make sure you have it set up. It only needs to be attached to one chart. Make sure it's set up and your MT4 platform is running throughout the week. So what it does is it controls the break even. So it will be closing trades at the break even. It'll be closing 50% of the positions at break even, and then letting the other half of the position run till the end of the trading week. So make sure you watch the video below, have that set up correctly so you know what you are doing. Next is the daily signals. Now, daily signals are not sent every single trading day. They are sent max 2 to 3 times per week. The reason being is the best trading days are Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Monday and Fridays aren't really that good. The more liquidity and the volume is on those 3 trading days. If it is big news days, I won't be sending signals as the markets usually aren't very good for trading. Okay, so there will be you will have to use the TR if you are using the day trading setups. You will have to use the TRFX indicator for trading view, and there will be instructions below how to use it, or you can use the signals indicator for MT4. So that is it. So the steps you need to be doing is simply joining the email list below, joining the Telegram group. Again, the link is below, and make sure you have the Trade Manager EA set up correctly on MT4. The video link for it is below. It's this service is very basic. It is as automated as possible. All you need to be doing is spending the 5 minutes to 10 minutes each week going through this list and entering every single order on the list. Not every single trade will trigger, only the highest probability trades will trigger, and then the EA will manage the trades for you. So you don't need to do any management. You just need to enter the pending orders and let the EA do the work for you. So that is it. I'm really looking forward to hearing your results. Sorry, one more thing. The live stream. So each Sunday I do a live stream. There will in the members area, there will be an area where you can actually watch the previous live streams. So each Sunday I will be doing live streams on YouTube. So when you get the email with the signals, you will receive the link for the live stream, where I just go over the setups, the reasons behind them, etc. And then at the end of every trading week, I post a trade breakdown of the actual trades that triggered and why they triggered, and what actually went on. So just a breakdown analysis of the trading week. So that is the live streams. You will get the link. Now the live streams will be every Sunday at 1 p.m. GMT. That if you're in the Asian area, it's around 7 p.m. If you are in the US, it is the morning time. So it kind of is the best time for me to do them because I'm in Asia. So around about that time is the best for me to be able to do the live streams each Sunday for you. So that is it. You will be able to watch the previous live streams in the members area here. Just go to the section of the website that actually allows that. If you are in the yearly service, there will be a section where you go down and you'll have to sign up to get your bonuses. Just go to the bonus section and then create the account, and then the bonuses will be added to your account there. So that is it. Really looking forward to hearing your results. Any questions, let me know. And yeah, so see you soon, and I'll see you in the Telegram group. Happy trading.